access learning resources. For you to be able to access a learning resource of a particular module, you need to open that module from the dashboard. For instance, I will select Workshop Organization and Management Skills module. When the module open, this is like the home page of the module. You can scroll down. The first thing that you see the introduction video. You can just click the play button and have a full access or watching this video. Then scrolling down, you can see the self-introduction forum, the pre-test activity, module information, useful link, and announcement. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can access the learning resources of an individual module. Just to have in mind, the module at most time it has been divided or subdivided into two parts. We have the first part, which is an introductory part, which it has the introduction video, as you can see. We have the self-introduction forum, the pre-test activity, the module information, useful link, and announcement. Scrolling down, the second part, this is the part which it has the actual topic or the actual lessons of the module. For this case, we are having lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3. These are actual sections which are having learning resources for this module. Furthermore, we have module glossary, the post-test, evaluation, and award. So to access the learning resources of an individual lesson, you just need to open that lesson. For you to open the lesson, you need to click the triangle icon on the left hand side of the lesson name. So for this case, I'll click this triangle icon. Then I want to access the learning resources. On this lesson, the learning resources which are available, we have lesson 1 content, we have lesson 1 occupation health and safety notes, we have further readings. The rest are activities and assessment component, which we are going to cover them in forthcoming tutorials. So if you want to access the content, you can just click on lesson 1 content, and this is the lesson 1 content, and this is the introduction part. You have this view. Also on the right hand side, you have a view with the table of content, which you can just scroll, which you can opt to start from introduction and go into another component, or you can use this arrow, the next arrow, to go to another page, to go to another page of the content. So for instance, I can click this arrow to see the learning outcomes. So these are the learning outcomes. I can click again the next arrow to see the other component, which is the concept of occupation health and safety. Then I can opt to go to the table of content and click an individual component, maybe ergonomic at working place, like that. Then I can opt to read the summary of the module. So this is the summary. And then, for instance, if I've reached to the summary, that means that I've done with the content of lesson 1. So I need to get back to the home page of my module. If I want to get back to the home page of my module, I'll go to the breadcrumb and click set 108. Then the platform will get me back to the home page of the module. And then maybe if I want to access another learning resources, I have lesson 1, occupation health and safety. I'll click it. This is a file, and it serves as an offline resource for this module. So I can download this file and have it in my device. It can be a smartphone, it can be a computer or a laptop. So I can download this resource and have it in my device. And further on, I can just go through this resource, read it, and understand it. So for I to get back to other component, I can just click the back button. And the another resource, learning resources that I'm having, I do have further readings. I can click on further readings and see these are the further readings which are within this module, and also I have a link here within further readings of this module, and I'll take time to read and understand them, and they will assist me in the process of understanding this module in details. So if I want to get back, I'll click on set 108 to get back to the home page of my module. So that's how we do if you want to access several learning resources of a module in a particular lesson. So I can scroll down again. If I'm done with lesson 1, you can open also lesson 2, and you can see there are resources there. We have lesson 2 content, lesson 2 procurement activity, and further readings. So take your time to explore this component, and I believe they will add something into understanding of a particular module. Stay in touch, and I welcome you to the forthcoming tutorials.